Alright, I had an idea a while ago. What if you could use high voltage electricity to vaporize water instantly? If you could do that, you could use it as propulsive force or possibly power a projectile, something like that. I messed with it a little bit before and I found out the biggest problem was I was trying to basically vaporize too much water at once. So I put it in a small bottle cap and then the rest is history. Using a igniter I built for firing spark plugs, things like that. And I got it on Amazon for like 13 bucks, put it in a box and put a switch on it. It's about a 10 kilovolt igniter. Got a couple of capacitors out of microwave ovens. I've got a meter hooked up to it so I can see what my voltage is. This thing pegs out about 1700 volts or so. And then I got a standard old household switch to fire it with. So let's start out with, we're gonna put a little bit of water with an electrolyte, baking soda, in this cap. Alright, now we're going to turn our meter on. Reach 0 right now. We're going to turn the igniter on to charge the capacitors. And you see the voltage is climbing. .600 volts. 800 volts. By the way, this is pretty dangerous stuff. If you don't want to short yourself out on this, it will mess you up bad. I'm going to wait till it gets about 1600 volts. I'm going to fire it. Ah, well, close enough. That's quite a little explosion. And there's basically 0 water left in that cap.